Good evening, everyone. My name is Tomer. I'm from the Market Zone, and before I start this trade analysis video, where I'm going to show you guys a trade idea that we had in the lead zone, I want to thank every one of you who follow the Market Zone, whether it's on the YouTube channel, on the blog, Facebook, Twitter, of course, and of course, special thanks for the members of the Market Zone mailing list, weekly markets analysis, and the members of the Market Zone. So special thanks for all of you. And in today's video, I want to show you guys, as I mentioned, a trade idea that I sent to the members in pound kiwi. It started as a daily harmonic pattern that we traded, and as the trade progressed and we were up about 400 pips, I recognized a new pattern and I sent to the members instruction and how I think we should trade it. Eventually, the result was a 600 pips combined trade. Started as long, shorting in the middle, and then continuing partial position on the long side, closing the trade with 600 pips last Friday. So I also posted this trade idea in TradingView, in my TradingView page. So if you follow me on TradingView, you can see updates about trades that we took, new trading ideas that I'm posting in TradingView. So of course you can follow me also in TradingView to stay updated. So let's jump into the chart, and I'll show you in the trade and how the scenario that we took while we traded. Okay, so you see here the daily chart of the pound kiwi with the initial harmonic pattern setup that I sent to the members 2 weeks ago. We had also a fib confluence zone here. If I pull this fib tool here, we get the 127 extension right near 1.93, and if I pull another fib tool, you see the 127 extension coming right inside a 100 pips buying range that we had with the harmonics. So that was the setup, the initial setup, the daily setup, and we saw the initial price rallying already 2 weeks ago with a 300 pips move. Then we had a pullback, and this week I sent to the members that this again is a buying zone, some sort of a double bottom right at the PRZ of the daily pattern here. And it took about 3 days for that price to rally back up all the way to the 200 SMA line, which was a target level we took profits in. Now that's where it came, the new short-term pattern I sent to the members, and I'm going to show you right now, just a second. If we'll zoom into the hourly chart, I actually recognize this pattern on the 4 hours chart, but it's much better to see it on the hourly chart. This is the hourly chart, the pound kiwi, and we take the fib tool here and pull all the way down to the A point. That's the X point, A point, and the B point right at 61.8. So we have the B point of the Gartley, and then C point and the D completion right at the 78.6. Look, perfect touch. We actually had sort of a double top here, but the result was immediate crash of pound kiwi all the way to target level, giving us about 150, 180, depending on where was the entry, 150 pips of a downward move when initially we started from the bottom. So with the bullish bias that we had on the daily chart, we managed to capture short-term 150 pips of a downward move. Immediately I took profits, and once it reached the target level, I closed the profit, stayed with the original long position I had, and the price rallied all the way up to reach the daily target level, which was this, you see here, this structure level here. And then I close the trade. So about 500 pips on the long side, 150 pips on the short side, giving us about 650 pips in this combination of harmonics trade. And I think overall very nice trade, showing the power of harmonics. And if you want to join the Lead Zone members to receive this kind of analysis and intraday trading ideas and opportunities, you can visit the Market Zone website, www.themarketzone.net, and sign in the Lead Zone. It costs you only $30 a month. Really, it's affordable sum for such high quality content. And if not, if you want to try it out before, if you are not a weekly market analysis member, this is the totally free weekly newsletter that I have. And of course, you can follow on the blog and TradingView, and as I mentioned before. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this kind of analysis that I showed you. And I hope to see you on the next video that I make. Thank you very much. Have a great night.